Yes. Good morning. Good afternoon. It's been a while. Yes. I'm here. No doubt, no doubt. So today we're going to do a unboxing of the wireless earbud that I purchased on TEMU. It was my first time purchasing a famous earbuds on TEMU. So let's check it out. Unboxing time. Okay? So I'm gonna give you the details. Okay, so I purchased it a white Bluetooth order for the earbud. It cost me $20.30 on Temu, and it's Canadian money with the tax and everything. $20.30, as you can see. And they say here you could get a $5 discounted if the order is late, so you can get a credit of $5. OK? Obtenez $5 de crédit dans les 48 heures si la livraison est effectuée après le 29 avril. You see? It means you receive $5 credit after 48 hours. The delivery is after the 29th April. So you get a $5 credit if it's not on the right time. All right? So let's take a look at it. Okay? So here you got it from TEMU. TEMU. Okay? So I opened it already. So just to make it quick. So I order white, but the box they give me like black color, but don't be don't be worried. So I open up, and you get a guide. So hold on, you get a guide. Sorry, because I'm doing two things at a time, holding my phone and also showing you guys my purchase, what I received from TEMU. So it's good. You have the extra ear for the earbuds, and you have the guide, as usual, like every in English, many languages. So, and it's the 2S, and they tell you how to pair, but it's very easy to pair the product from TEMU. I thought it's gonna be hard and it's cheap from TEMU, but I'm amazed. So you have it here, the earbud, and it's white color. So don't be fooled by the box, because the box is black color, but I received in white as I ordered it. So you see, it's very nice earbuds, and it's very easy to connect. So you take it out, and it automatically connect to your Bluetooth. So you just have to choose the S2, on your Bluetooth, and it's gonna automatically connect. And I use it already like 3 weeks, and I'm very happy with that, with my purchase. It went smooth and no problem. So I thought TEMU was like a very cheap purchase, but I was amazed. I was flabbergasted by the TEMU product. So I give you my review. My review for the TEMU earbuds, the S2 white color that I purchased. So 1 out of 10, I give it a 9. So I'm happy for my purchase, and everything is smooth. The connection is awesome. So automatically they detect the earbuds. So all right, so thank you for tuning in. It was my first time purchases on TEMU, and don't be judgeful of all the marketing that you see that they say TEMU is whack because you receive like small stuff and it's from China, but I give it a 9 out of 10 star for the earbuds S2 from TEMU. Awesome. Thank you for tuning in, and as usual, subscribe to Sotam City. And you know what Sotam City stands for? Sotam, the cool technician. See you around. Peace out.
Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more.
Even though I know you may hate me, I can't go. I'm scared you go away. I need you home. Life's so cruel, we gotta see this through. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it back. I see love, but mine's never shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear.